Hey art friends, get those pencils ready. We're going to be drawing the Ravenclaw Crest from Harry Potter. All right, here we go. So to start with, we are going to be drawing the knight that is at the top of the crest with a little triangle, a little rectangle, a little V-shaped line, another V-shaped line, a little rectangle, and kind of a wonky looking square. Then we're going to draw a line down, a line across with two little dots on it, and we're going to draw a line across down that's going to come to here, then this side's going to come up and then come back down. All right, and then on top we're going to draw kind of a oval, and it's going to have some little curvy lines in it. And then on top of that we're going to draw a raven, which is just going to be a big curvy line like this with a little thing under it, and it's going to have a little curvy line there like so. Then we're going to draw the shield. So we're going to draw a line out, kind of a curvy line. We're going to go down a ways, put a dot there. We're going to meet up with this line, and we're going to meet up with that line like that. Okay, then we're going to draw a little letter N right here with a little line under it like that. That's right, it's the beak. Then we're going to draw a line coming down like so. Little triangle underneath. Little kind of like a W. Then it's going to continue. Another V. Another W. And then that's going to come up. And then we're going to have some lines coming down, kind of zigzaggy. And then we're going to have the wing coming up and then back down, and it meets up with the head, and then this carries on into the body, and then there's a little branch that it's sitting on. There we go, and there's like I don't know, ice or something underneath there. There it is. All right, so now for all the stuff around it. Okay, so we're gonna draw an oval, another oval, another oval. Guess what? We're doing lots of ovals. Another oval, and another oval. Then on top of that, we're gonna do kind of some little squiggly things like that. Then we're gonna come over here and draw a line coming in, and some little leaves, and another big line coming down with some more leaves, which are just like kind of ovals. We got a little circle-y thing here, some more little ovals through here, and then, oh, we better put this on here. Okay, so here is the sign. It's just gonna be kind of a curved line. It's not super straight, it's a little curved. And we're gonna come down, another curve, come across. We're gonna draw a U. We're gonna have a line here, and then have a line like that. And then we have another line up here, like so. And then we're gonna start Ravenclaw with an N, and then CLAWEVAR. Ravenclaw. Woo! Then we're gonna draw another little U line back here with a line. You know what? I'm not happy with this. I'm gonna take it back even a little bit further. There we go. And then this will all just be black in here. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, mistake. Shh, don't tell anybody. Okay, and then this one just kind of comes out and down. This is black in here. And then we'll put maybe a double line across Ravenclaw. Oh, there we go. Almost there. You guys are doing great. All right, so then we're gonna have a line coming out here, little oval, oval, just some little lines there, and then right here we're gonna have kind of a letter U that's gonna turn into a W, little oval. It looks like an S. Then we're gonna have a line coming down, down, with some ovals on it. And then we're gonna have a little circle-y thing. And there we go. Ravenclaw. Done. Let's put an eyeball on him. Okay, hey, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Middle School Art Mania. Thanks for watching.